Before I start this video today, I just want to give a big shout out to my man Rashid, Tanker156 on YouTube and on Instagram. Go give him a follow. Go show him some love. He made the super dope introduction for me, which I'm about to show you right now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan. For those of you who are new, hit that subscribe button and please like and share. What I'm going to show you guys today is a very, very interesting video, and it's something that a lot of enthusiasts and a lot of owners need to understand about this particular kind of car. So right here is a 2008 Infiniti G37S, and it's owned by this gentleman right here, Alexis. Say hello.
Hey, hello, family.
If any of these springs look familiar to you, for you Nissan and Infiniti owners, mind you, this is the same process for an Infiniti G37, 370Z. It may also be the same process for a G35 and 350Z. Any VQ engine that has a clutch helper spring, this is what we're going to be changing out today. This is something that is very, very common to fail on these vehicles. So Alexis right here is going to show us the best way to do it and where to get them. And these are the tools you're going to be needing as well. This looks like a 12 millimeter socket with an extension. Of course, the ratchet. You're going to need some pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a nice little pick, and a flashlight. So right here you see 5 different springs. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of each one. This is the original style clutch helper spring, which failed. This is another replacement, which is a little bit shorter, which also failed. This is one that was purchased from a hardware store, which is significantly longer. It's about what? Maybe 2 inches or so longer than the original one. Also failed. So this is what we're going to be doing right here. We're going to take 2 of these springs, which is also from a hardware store, and we're going to be combining them with another spring very, very similar to this, and do a triple spring installation. So here we are, combining 2 of those springs right now. And that's exactly how it's gonna look right there. And now once we go inside the car, you're gonna see the clutch helper springs right here. There's right there. Right now it's doubled, so we're gonna be taking those out and triple it and go from there.
Now to do the process, we're going to start with the pick. We're going to take out 2 plugs, electric plugs that the clutch has.
Okay.
Guys, if you have big hands, you're going to have problems here.
Then come on the other side, get a better view. You're also gonna need the flat screwdriver to help remove those sensors as well.
The hardest part is take out these plugs here, because the 12 bolts that is the 12 bolts is really easy. But
So the bolts are right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh my bad.
Alright, so now that we have the plugs removed, that's what we took out right here. Now we can start the process of disassembling the spring assembly and swapping them out with the triple spring. Alright, so now this is where you're going to take your 12 millimeter ratchet and socket and start removing the bolts that hold on the spring assembly. Alright, and then once you remove those 3 12 millimeter bolts, down comes the whole clutch pedal assembly, and then you can start taking apart the spring assembly right there. So now this is where you're going to start taking apart the assembly. You're going to take your pick and take apart that little locking pin right there. And it's just flew over there somewhere. Now you're going to take your needle nose pliers and remove this pin right here. Like so. Now,
You push it in.
Yep, you're gonna compress it in.
And it's
It
out.
comes right out.
This is the whole part, the spring, the top part. This go like this and like this inside there.
Okay.
Now we take out this, we take out this,
So you got a little top hat.
and we take out the bottom part.
I'm gonna take apart these double springs. Now keep in mind, when you take yours out, it's gonna be a single spring, just like I showed you earlier. This one right here. You see we got 2 springs here, and we're gonna add a 3rd one.
With the new one.
With the brand new ones we're gonna put in. So there you go, triple spring. Just give us a little test of how stiff it is now. Just put your hands together with it and see if you can push it. Yeah, pretty stiff. You want me to do it? It's pretty hard to press with just my one hand. Sure. Okay. And now it's gonna be the same, just reverse process. So now I'm gonna put it back together. We're gonna take the bottom perch, attach it to the spring, and then you're gonna put the top hat back on.
This part has to be inside the hole.
So
Both the hole.
You gotta go
all
in
the
there.
hole.
You gotta be in there nice and snug. Alright, like so.
Go like,
Goes
you
on
have
top.
to, it looks like this.
Alright, so the springs are set together. Top hats are back on.
This has to be inside the hole.
Yep. Helpful tool to have during this installation process is a vise. If you're able to get your hands on one of those, it's going to help you out a whole lot. But if not, just have a strong pair of hands. Got it. There we go. There we go. Now it's in there. Show all the pins and everything you took out.
It's really important because this pin, this hole is not the same as this one. It's really important because then if you're not putting good, you have to take out again. And I will not recommend that. Keep holding. No, you have put the Jordan here, the same pressure. Woo. Yeah.
There we go.
Here we go.
All right, now the pin goes back in. Like so. There we go.
Okay. But let's do the movement. Put the Jordan here.
Put the Jordan here. See, nice and stiff. There you go. Oh, that just came out. So there you go. That's how it looks with 3 springs on it. Plenty of pins of tension. All right, let's put it back in the car now. Then when it was taken out, same process going right back in. 3 12mm bolts right here. And those little pins and the 3 sensors. And there you go, finished product. Everything is back together. That's how it looks with the triple spring. Feels a lot more stiffer now too. There you go. That's the tutorial of how to do the clutch spring helper. So, hope this is helpful to you guys, and if you have any questions, definitely just drop us a line on the comment section. And this helped you out a lot. Definitely let us know and share with some more 370 and G37 enthusiasts. Save you guys a lot more money doing it yourself. Thank you guys for watching. And now the results.